To insert one photo onto another on your Galaxy S26, all you need to do is simply open up the Gallery app. From here, find the image and then tap on Edit. Next, you just need to bring in the other item or the other photo that you wish to insert into the one that you've currently chosen. So go ahead and tap on this smiley face icon like so, and then choose the option Stickers. Under Stickers, you're going to select Gallery or the category for Gallery, and you should be able to see any stickers that you've previously created. Now, these stickers are from photos that you've previously turned into stickers. If you're curious as to how to do so, I'll leave that video linked down below. From here, you're going to select your sticker and you're just going to go ahead and place it in whatever position you want. Once you've successfully placed it, you can now just tap on save, or you can choose to save it as a copy. And now you'll have the original and you'll have the newly edited copy with a photo inserted into another photo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.